So the use case I'm going to be showing is the ability of a customer to request for a specific dasher when submitting a request for laundry. So on the right here we have a user logged in as a customer, and on the left we have a user logged in as a dasher. So let's just submit a request quickly. And here you can see this item where it says Dasher preference, and currently there is no preference as the customer has not chosen to request a specific Dasher. But if the customer wants to request a specific Dasher, the user can click a Dasher in this table below. This table shows all of the dashers in the customer's dorm that are currently accepting requests. So currently there are no dashers in this customer's dorm currently accepting requests. So the customer does not have the option to request for a specific dasher. However, if we go over to the dasher homepage on the left here and change the mode from not accepting requests, which is what it currently is, to accepting requests, you'll see on the customer homepage over here that now that this dasher is accepting requests, the dasher's name and rating is shown here. So if we click this dasher like this, you'll see that the dasher preference is now set to this. And so if we submit the request, just showing us the confirmation message with the estimated cost. Let's click submit. Just quickly on the customer homepage, you'll see that the job request was added to the in progress requests section here. So let's just click it. And now the first subpart of this use case that I'm going to be showing is the ability of a dasher to reject a customer's specific request for laundry pickup. So let's click reject. And just on the dasher homepage, you'll see that the job was not added to the table of in progress jobs because it was rejected. And on the customer end over here, we are notified that the dasher rejected the request with this pop-up. So let's click OK. And now let's just submit the same request with all the same information. And now the next subpart of this use case I'm going to be showing is the ability of a dasher to accept a customer's specific request for laundry pickup. So let's click accept. And as you can see here, the job request is added to the table of in progress jobs. And on the customer end, we are notified that the dasher accepted the request. And from here it just continues as usual. The dasher can update the status of the job request, and it will be reflected here on the customer end. And just some quick things I want to note. These buttons have to be clicked sequentially to avoid a dasher clicking on way for pickup and then immediately saying dropped off for laundry. So if I try to click this item here, none of these can be clicked. This is the only one that can be clicked. It has to be clicked sequentially. So let's just leave that. And the last thing I want to note is just a quick thing that after the customer sets a preference for dasher, it can also be cleared just with this button here. So now there's no preference. And that is the end of that use case.